Hello and welcome to the Mahindra Education Nagaland. In this video, I am going to discuss the changes brought up by the NPSC with the help of one notification. The date is 4th June 2026. If you are preparing for the NCS examination, NPS examination, other allied service examination, so there is change. The change in the prelims paper, the change in the mains paper. Now, what is the change in prelims paper this time? We are having only one paper. One paper, 100 MCQ, each question is of 2 marks, so total is 200 marks. So 100 question, 2 marks each, fine, so total is 200 marks. But there is one problem. What is the problem? Duration. So within 120 minutes, 2 hour means 120 minutes, means you have to attempt this paper within this 120 minutes. And if you are giving a wrong answer, so what will happen? There is a negative marking, 0.66 marks. And in the notification itself, it is mentioned that you have to read the basic science and the basic mathematics up to the class 10th level. Even in the notification of the UPSC civil service examination, you will find the statement that you have to study the basic science and the basic mathematics up to the class 10th. Fine. Now, if I look at the mains syllabus and before mains, NPSC give one very good point regarding the prelims weightage. For example, in prelims we have general science. So what is the weightage? 30 marks. History, what is the weightage? 20 marks. Nagaland, 30. Nagaland means Nagaland history, polity, everything about Nagaland. Geography, 20 marks. Now this is my favorite subject, Indian polity and economy, 50 marks. Indian national movement, 14 marks. General mental ability test, 26. Current events, you can say that this is nothing but the current affairs. So total is 200 marks. Fine. So in this way you can prepare. Now this is a good thing about NPSC. Fine. Now if I look at the mains paper, so you are having 6 paper. It may be possible that on day 1 you are having 2 papers, this paper 5 and paper 6 maybe. The first day in morning session you have to attempt general studies. In the afternoon you have to attempt the English paper, or it may be possible, it will be clear later, it may be possible that in day 1 you are having 2 papers, day 2 you are having 2 papers, and in day 3 you are having 2 papers. The one paper in morning session and second paper in afternoon session. Fine. So it may be possible. So what is the paper 1? Let me discuss. So paper 1 is called General Studies 1. Now in this you have to study Indian heritage, culture, history, geography of world and society. Now you are having one doubt, sir, what about the Indian geography? It may be asked in the examination, although it is not mentioned, but they mention geography of society. Maybe in your NPSC paper you will find the question regarding the physical geography of India or Indian geography. Maybe. In paper 2, general studies 2, you will find the topic regarding governance, constitution, polity, social justice, international relation. Wonderful. When you prepare for the UPSC civil service examination, you will find these subjects also. So if you are a UPSC aspirant, so this paper is nothing in front of you. Now similarly, general studies 3, you will find economy, technology, biodiversity, environment, security and disaster management. Wonderful. Very interesting, very easy topics. But what is the main problem? If UPSC asks the current question from this topic, then there is a problem, because the Naga students, they are not habitual of reading the Hindu newspaper, they are not habitual of reading Indian Express or current affair. They are having a very little bit interest regarding the Indian politics, Indian news. Now in paper 4 you are having general studies 4, which is ethics, integrity and aptitude. This is a totally new topic, and in Nagaland you will not find, till now you will not find any faculty who can teach the ethics, integrity and aptitude just like the UPSC patterns. Even in the field of UPSC there are very few teachers. Mark my words, there are very few teachers who can teach you this ethics, integrity and aptitude. Paper 5 is regarding general studies, that is regarding the Nagaland. Paper 6 is regarding your English, comprehension and essay. Now each paper consists of 200 marks, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. So we are having total 6 paper. So 6 into 2 is nothing but 1200 marks. Fine. So mains paper is of 1200 marks and each paper duration is 3 hour, 3 hour. Maybe it may be possible that this paper will be of 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. or maybe 9:30 to 12:30 maybe. And this paper may be 1 hour break or maybe it may be from 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. or 1:30 to 4:30 p.m. So you will be able to know about the timing later, but you have to practice, you have to sit in your room, you have to prepare for this 3 hour duration. Fine. So you have to mentally prepare for this. So in mains paper we have 6 paper, each paper consists of 200 marks, so total is 1200 marks. Fine. So this is regarding the mains syllabus. Now what about next? In the notification itself they mentioned that the English comprehension and grammar shall be of objective types. Fine. So this is the new thing that you will find in the mains paper. In mains paper the English comprehension and grammar shall be of objective types, 100 marks. Fine. And they also mention something regarding essay. Essay shall be of 50 marks. There will be 2 essay. So 50 into 2 is nothing but 100 marks. So 100 marks of essay and 100 marks for this English comprehension and grammar. Fine. And there is a word limit. For each essay you cannot use more than 1200 words. Now suppose if you write more than 1200 words in UPSC, you will be getting a negative marking. Yes, there is a negative marking in the mains paper in UPSC, but I do not know what will happen in the exam conducted by NPSC. You will be able to know about this thing later. Fine. Now I have one doubt in this notification. What is the doubt? When you read the rule 14 subclause 8 of this notification, they clearly mention that there will be 20 descriptive questions. Okay, कितने होंगे? 20. Now out of this 20, 10 questions shall be of 10 marks. Okay, and 5 questions shall be of 20 marks. So tell me, 10 plus 5 is nothing but 15 questions. But we are having total, how you will justify this 20 descriptive questions? But you telling about only this 10 question and 5 questions. So I have one doubt. Maybe the NPSC will again clarify this doubt. And this is not from my side. I took the screenshot. In the screenshot itself, in the rule 14 subclause 8, it is mentioned that there will be 20 descriptive questions. Now 10 question is of 10 marks and 5 question is of 20 marks. Now 10 question plus 5 question, 10 plus 5 is nothing but 15 question, but here they mention about the 20 descriptive questions. So there is one doubt. So maybe the NPSC will clear this doubt later. So that's all about the NPSC new pattern for the NCS and other allied service examination. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.